Hey guys, welcome to Mischievous Tutorials. My name is Jayless and today we're going to dive into our basic training. This is the first video that we're going to use to get you familiar with After Effects and some of the elements that are found inside. So when you open up Adobe After Effects, you get this interface. This is how it will look. This is how it looks on the CS4 version of Adobe After Effects, which I have. And so you have some of these different boxes that we will talk about in other tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to open up a new composition. So this should be fairly quick and we should get started I guess right now. The first thing you want to do is open up a new composition by going to the composition tab on the top and clicking on new composition. We also have keyboard shortcuts. So on a Mac you can hold Command or Apple N on a keyboard, or on PC you can hold Control N to open up a new composition. Now composition is compared to, say, a Word document for Microsoft Word, and so when you open up a new document in Microsoft Word, it's exactly the same as opening up a new composition in Adobe After Effects. I like to use the Adobe After Effects button that they've given us. You just click on there and it comes up with your composition settings box, and this will tell you everything you need to know about your composition that you're going to create. Composition name, which you can name anything. You have different presets, and these are the presets for the stage that they give you. I'll show you what that means later, but you have all these different settings in the drop down that we won't go through specifically, but as you can see we have some HD presets which would be ideal for HD footage that you have recorded, and it also comes with your dimensions, the width and the height. You have lock aspect ratio, which you can turn off, say if you wanted to make your own custom dimensions. We also have your pixel aspect ratio. This determines the amount of pixels that will be used when you're starting your composition. You have your frame rate, which is usually by default 30 frames per second. A lot of videos nowadays are usually 30 or 60 frames per second, and you can change that also accordingly. It's up to you. We also have the resolution. This is the resolution of when you are actually editing within After Effects. So if you have a footage that's pretty large, say an HD footage, and you keep it at full resolution, you'll notice that when you start your composition and when you're starting to go through editing, it takes quite a long time for you to go through all the different frames, and this is because it is running at full resolution. And so you can drop down to other resolutions, and this is only for editing purposes. This won't actually make the full, the actual footage, lose quality. It's just so that you can work faster within the workspace that you've been given when you're editing in your composition. And we also have the duration, which is usually preset to 30 seconds. Let's hit OK, and we've already got the stage, which is, I think it was 720 by, I forgot what it was, but this is the resolution that's being given, the dimensions, I'm sorry, of our stage. And everything will be put into this when we are starting to create our videos. As you can see, we have a timeline down here which is 30 seconds long, and we have this little timeline pin so that we can move forward and backward within our composition. And that's pretty much everything that we need to know about creating a new composition. In our next tutorial, we're going to show you how to actually import footage and then put that onto your composition stage as you see here. But thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and keep watching for updated tutorials. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.